Tsaka sumunod si Rainier Maga. But siguro for Rainier Maga, nung pagkawala ni Inoy, alam niya mag-step up siya for UE. But suddenly, nagka-teammate ulit sila.
Oo nga, sayang yun eh, yung tatlo eh. Stevens, Rimogat, and Maga umalis eh. That have could been.
Tsaka welo-lingo-lingo.
Oo, simple, nandun pa.
Oh, sayang kung nagsabay yung
Kaya
apat.
imagine mo tayo.
Diba?
Could be in a good UE lineup.
So, may kiskisan din.
Time.
All the time. Marasigan. Nakaka-umpisa pa lang ng ating fourth quarter dito. Oh, that's Steven Gagate.
That's a good man action there. One-sided play for the Green Archers. They need to have a stop. Maybe dalawa to tatlo. And then a conversion and we have a ball game.
Maga against Makalalag. There's a switch. Pablo, 5 seconds to shoot. They need to fire. Binigay kay Briones. Shot clock at 2. Yun lang. Di pala alam ni Briones. Right now.
Exactly. Again, talking about UT, they all have 5 straight playing in the finals. Imagine mo that. It's so hard to have that level.
For UP in the previous 5 years.
Hindi, parang dalawa lang.
Dalawa lang pala. Dalawa lang.
Isa kay Ateneo.
2 for Lasal. Isa for Ateneo.
Yeah. Player.
David Deponso.
Yeah, sa Cebu yun. Awan lang.
2 seconds to shoot, coach. Idiguez fires. Makalalag. Cortez. Here comes Jacob. Goes to the other side. Makalalag drops it to Gagate. That's a high arc shot for Steven Gagate.
5 straight points from this guy, the pride of Cebu Nino. Mga magkakapatid ko ng mga mahaba. He has that soft touch. Oh, good dive there. Answers. The former MPBL player, I think still on Basilan. Shout out to his family too.
Wow, Noy Remogat.
What a move there by Ray Rimogat. Nag-throwing ng elepante sa ere.
Cortez reacts a swing. Abadam back to Pablo. 1-on-1 against PJ Pre. Shot clock at 8. Gagate. Heat check short for Steven. Wow, no look pass. Payosing. Extra feed. PJ Pre not this time.
Ito yung sistema nila. At the same time, ang tagal ko na ding nasa DLSU, kaya kabisado ko din yung sistema dito. Yung ganito classic knowledge is definitely my advantage today. Dagdag ni Seven, sa tagal niyang naghintay, 2 years na lang ang kanyang playing years sa UAAP, kaya gusto niyang masulit at mag-shine. And what better way to do that than to perform in front of your former team, especially to cut this lead. Gentlemen.
Thank you so much, Flo. You know, ako, sa nakita ko si Steven na palipat-lipat ng mga schools in this UAAPs din. And I'm praying for him na sana this year, for Steven, na mabigyan or makuha niya na yung spotlight na kanyang hinihingi. Kasi nga, sabi ni Flo, 2 years left for his playing career.
Yeah, well, talking about Steven naman, Gagate, is really a new generation of big guy.
Gagate.
Center. Alam mo, may tira talaga to sa labas eh.
DJ Pre against Pablo. I love the matchup. Pre to Remogat. 4 seconds to shoot. Airball for Noy.
And sa mga pito, they will have a ball game.
Just, you know, take it slowly as Jacob Cortez finally naisigaw niya na yung frustration
For
niya.
sure, he's very frustrated now. Sabi kasi,
Back to the ball game. UP still up here by 12 points. Wow, BJ Pre. Wide open underneath, coach. Alone but not lonely.
sayang nga eh. Miscommunication there for Daep. on Marasigang. Sayang, they're playing the passing lane sana, pero dalawa yung kumuha eh.
Cortez binomba pa. Gani Stevens cherry picking. BJ Pre able to get that pass first pag wala ng dribble.
Alam ko, sabi mo, Coach Kim,
Wow.
wala akong shooting. But then again, Amos with that shot. This is now the closest they've been.
20 was the biggest lead, coach. Now it is 11. And, you know, Rimoga,
Oh, good block there by Luis Pablo.
but BJ Pre still not finished here.
When in doubt, shoot there for VJ Play. Sayang eh. Sakit nun for the Green Archers.
Solid ka, Pre. As Amos, back to back for Mason Amos.
Amos telling his team, let's go. Let's get this stop. Oh, almost a steal there for Marasigan.
And I love the exchange of basket for both teams right now, coach.
It's a quick 1-minute break. Luis Pablo, quick press here. Almost a steal here. Gagate against Stevens.
Abadam has it. 4 minutes time remaining. Cortez wants to go inside. Stolen away by Jacob Baila. DJ Pre. James Payosing on in attack mode.
Alam ko anong nasa isip ng mga taga-UP ninyo. The last time we faced this Lasal, masakit yun.
Oo.
They lost on the UAAP finals, so they really want to win this game.
Mason Amos. No look pass. Gagate, that's an air ball. Rebound pickup by Gani Stevens. By the way, this is the starting five for UP Fighting Maroons. Payosing, Gani, Baila, Raymogat, and DJ Pre. Raymogat. Noy against Makalalag. Here comes VJ Pre. Scans the floor. Libre si Payosing. Corner 3. Rebound. Topped by Gani to the wrong guy. Makalalag stops. Fires and scores!
Makalalag, when in doubt, shoot and slowly.
15 seconds to shoot. Remogat for 3. Kung pumasok yun, big shot yun for Noy Remogat.
Ball will go back now to the Green Archers. That's
Minutes and 48. Cortez, libre. Decides to go to the other side. Balik naman sa kanya. Against James Payosing. Cortez fires. Misses. Rebound. Abadam. The one-hander is good. The lead is down to 8.
James Payosing and Jacob Cortez.
Gani Stevens, he was double team right there. 10 seconds to shoot. Remogat, didiskarte, kontra kay Makalalag. 2 seconds, Remogat fires. Miss shot. Last 2 minutes. Marasigan, Cortez. Pressure cooking time for DLSU as Cortez with a contra-tempo off the glass finish doon.
This is the closest for the Green Archers since that first quarter. 6 na lang.
And a clean sweep by Jacob Cortez. 6 points na lang ito. Luis Pablo, almost. And then one for him.
Now the people inside Ipin Zamboanga Cebu.
Rivalry nitong Lasal and UP. If hindi pa matatalo.
Just needs to make this one.
Just like last night, Luis Pablo's crucial free throws, coach, against Alicia Wellick.
Oo, ngayon, 2 miss yun.
Wow, nice find by Pre. Payosing.
The game favors UP Fighting Maroons.
Baila just taking his time here. Pinagpag yung depensa doon. There's a switch. Libre si Pre. DJ misses. The rebound tap goes to Abadam. 1:05 time remaining. Cross-court pass. Makalalag all day. Miss shot.
Sayang makalalag. Did not see on that wing. Amos, who on this quarter is 3 out of 3 from the 3-point line.
14th foul. Baila. Steven. Gani. Stolen away. Abadam. Went out of bounds in the last touch. Down by 6 here. Amos will catch it. 20 seconds. Amos. Hit check for Amos. Rebound. The tap goes to Gani Stevens. That's a foul and 2 free throws. 1 out of 2 for Gani Stevens. Cortez gives it to Amos. Fires for 3. Too strong. Abadam. Another opportunity for LaSalle. Miss shot again. Amos. What a tap to Marasigan.
Pwede ba to? Just a 5-point.
PJ Pre to Maga. Rainier Maga. No more shot clock. Maga, that's a foul for LaSalle. Nakabox itong DLSU. Nice stop by James Bayosing. The layup, Gani Stevens. Nilabas pa. And ito na nga. Congratulations to UP Fighting Maroons for winning against DLSU Green Archers. UP, they are 1-1, while DLSU coach 0-2 the standings natin.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!